Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS4150i. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network. Switch the printer on from this button. Once you switch the printer on, you can scan the QR code or you go to Play Store and download Canon Print app. So if you take the QR code, you scan the QR code and this QR code is picked up, then select open link. So the link is opening up. Then it will show you for you to select App Store or Google Play Store to install Canon Print app. So select Google Play Store, for example. So install Canon Print app. So Canon Print app is already installed on my phone. So open it up. Then search for the printer. Searching. Is your printer listed below? Then you select no. If your printer is not found, after a while, tap next. Then select next. Select could not find. Select OK. Now the next thing is you look if the printer have a button like this. Does the printer have the button like this? Then you select yes. Then it will ask you to press this. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds. So press and hold this button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And you can see the Wi-Fi light is now highlighting. Then release the button. The Wi-Fi now is highlighting. What that means, the printer is in a wireless mode. Once it's connected, you will see a steady light. So you select OK and confirm that we have pressed the button. Select next. Set up, wait for the printer name to appear and select the printer. So we're going to wait for the printer name to appear on the screen. The printer is found. Set up Wi-Fi for the following printer: Canon TS4150 series. Then select OK. Then when the printer is detected on the next screen, tap the button to connect. Then select next. Connect to the device. Then select connect. Connecting to the device. Connected and is processing. The printer will be connected to the following wireless router. So you found the network, then you select yes or no. So select yes for the printer to connect on the network and is saving the information, communicating with the printer. And if you look, the Wi-Fi light and the power on button is highlighting and stay communicating with the printer. Communicating with the printer, this may take 150 seconds. And you can see that the Wi-Fi light is steady and the power on button is steady. So this is connected, but you need to wait for the process to complete on the mobile phone. If you look, the Wi-Fi light is steady and the power on button is also still highlighting and is steady now. Here we go. Keep your printer, so it's connected. Keep your printer up to date. Then select yes. And this is the printer. Then close this. This is the printer TS4150i series online. So this printer is now connected and this is the app. And we're going to print a document. So select print, document print. Then you select documents. Then select the document you want to print out. It's processing the document, 2-page document. To print it out, you select next. We want to print all. Select OK to print all. Then select change settings. Select number of copies, page size, media type, plain paper, and we want to print it in color. Duplex printing, we want to print it two-sided. Then you go back, then select print. It will show you printing is completed. Here we go. Printing is completed. Then you select OK. And this is the document we printed out two-sided in color. So this is how to connect this printer with your mobile phone via wireless network using Canon Print app and print out a document to confirm that the printer is working, and also it will show you that the printer is online. From this app, you can print document just like we did. Print your photo or scan document, smartphone copy or cloud or select copy, creative pack, and etc. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network with mobile phone using Canon Print app, and also print out a document to confirm it. We printed out document two-sided printing. Thank you very much indeed.